يا بابا
زي ما كان.
Every single song that you saw on screen was officially licensed.
Good vibes.
This a dance and walk it, quick, Mr. Wacky left me with a new dancing tip. Wacky it, and it. Alright, wacky it.
The Jamaican music, but for future episodes, please tell me we're having a Vibes Cartel song.
Girl, humble yourself. This other year is hold a show. You don't know how to come on with our plastic portion. Because you don't come out of the job, you know. You think you can do better than me? Watch this. See, yeah, bumbo.